For my synthesis project, I worked with my old co-op employer, Chelsea Hosmer Photography, to help make a promotional video for her. The goal of this promotional video is to create a kind of behind-the-scenes look at what a session with Chelsea Hosmer Photography looks like. Now, this promotional video was not the original idea we had in mind when we started this project back in January. We were going to do a how-to video for Annie Sloan chalk paint, which my co-op employer sells at her other store in Findlay, Ohio, which is called Charming Finds Boutique. They're one of the only people in this area that sells Annie Sloan chalk paint. And so we were going to do a little series of how-to videos with a small, a medium, and a large object. That large object was going to be the cabinets in her brother's kitchen, which unfortunately, due to some water damage and some scheduling, we were unable to gain access to. So we came up with this idea to do a behind-the-scenes promotional video for Chelsea Hosmer Photography. And this video is to help Chelsea Hosmer Photography gain more clients. Because right now, what she has as a marketing plan involves, of course, photography and some business cards, some little packets, and social media. So we are going to focus on her social media to enhance the client experience, to show them what exactly it is they are getting when they sign up for a session with Chelsea Hosmer Photography. And so this video, which will play at the end of this presentation here, will show you a senior session that we had with a high school senior named Paige, and it'll show the client exactly what it is that they are getting when they sign up for a photo session with Chelsea. I learned a variety of things while doing this project, mostly that not everything goes to plan. On occasion, you have to scrap your entire idea that was originally there and go with a new one that works for both you and your client. I also learned that you, as a videographer, may need a certain amount of lighting, but if it affects what you are lighting, then it does not matter for you. Yes, you want the best footage that you can get, but if the subject you're lighting is needed to be dark and you need it to be lighter, you have to go with what the client wants. And if that client wants it to be dark because that's how it's supposed to be, then it has to be dark. I've also learned that project management is a big part of life, and that no matter what, it will follow me for the rest of my life. And there won't always be teachers to assign due dates for things, and that I will have to create those dates myself, and that I will have to stick to those dates, because in the real world, you don't have extensions. You don't have a grace period where you can hopefully fudge what you're turning in. So, thank you so much for listening to my presentation, and I hope your synthesis project has gone very well.